Looks pretty peaceful today. There's Dad's old truck. The snow on it like usual. Oh, not too much. And the silo. I wonder what that steer thinks. What do you think, sir? Not much, huh? Looks like most of the gang is down the hill. Hey, what are you looking at, huh? How about you? I don't know where that bird is squawking back there. So we got the corn cribs are full this year. Well, the price isn't so good. Hey, you aren't sneaking up on me, are ya? I guess not. Wonder how this camera does in the barn in the dark. Let's go take a look at the calves. Let's open the door. Oh, wrong side. Darn. Can't see anything in this viewfinder. At least we got a little light coming in from outside. Whoa! Let's hook the door up, huh? There we go. Well, how you doing, guys, huh? There's a lot of light coming in them windows. It's pretty boring in here all day, huh? What's the thermometer say? Oh, not quite 40, huh? Just the feeding buckets. Let's go around back here. Looks like you guys got most of your feed cleaned up, huh? Mm-hmm. Oh, come on now. No need to be scared. How are you guys doing, huh? What do you think, sir? A little scabby eye there, huh? Better have that looked at. And how about you? Don't look too smart. Well, I wonder where all the cats are at. Do you know? Huh? You know where those cats are at? I don't think so. Not talking, huh? I didn't know we had a new water pan in here. There are some cats. There's one right. Right, kitty, 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 kitty. You don't say nothing either, huh? Where'd the one that snuck past me go? There he is. Hi, kitty. Earl, what are you doing? Here. Come on. Don't know me that well, huh? And how about you? Well, I think we'll go outside again. And we'll see you in a minute. Because I said before, it's very white and bright today. Kind of tough keeping the camera steady too. Well, what are the pigs doing? Eating. Oh, what else do pigs do? Just eat. Howdy, pig. Suppose the rest are in there. I don't think I want to go in. Angle. Looks pretty bleak and wasteful, doesn't it? Miles of open